Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Chanel reveal for you. I got something from the Chanel 22P collection and I am so excited about it. This technically isn't even an unboxing because I've already opened it and started using it as soon as it came in. And I will explain to you why I love it so much. So let's just pretend it's an unboxing. Here is the box. Here is the dust bag. I got this pouch with sleep mask. So this is, I don't know if they call it a travel set, travel kit. It's just called a pouch with sleep mask. Here is the pouch. So this looks like a satin material. I think it's just nylon. It's got a top handle here, and then it's got this really cool ribbon trim along there. And then similar to the leather and metal chain straps, instead of leather, it's that same ribbon trim. And then the matching sleep mask with the same logo there. And then this pretty substantial elastic on the back. Here's the tag so you can see it. Oop, the sun's coming in. But yeah, it has different names. I think the screenshot online said pouch with sleep mask. This says case with sleep mask. You can see it's a 22P. And I am going to explain to you why I got this, because I got so excited when I saw the pictures, when my essay sent it to me. Okay, so first of all, when I saw this, like the stock photos of it, I thought, okay, it's cute, but I don't really need this. I mean, nobody really needs a sleep mask, I guess, at least not a Chanel sleep mask. But what's funny is I already have a Chanel sleep mask. A couple years ago when Chanel launched the Coco Mademoiselle L'Eau Privée fragrance, which is like their nighttime fragrance. As part of the launch, if you purchased the fragrance, you got these really cute, and I still have it in the plastic, you got these really cute gifts. So one was this hanging door tag. It has the L'Eau Privée. And then it says, please do not disturb, with a little logo. So this hangs on a door knob. And you know, you can see here, it can't hang from a regular doorknob. It's gotta be like those hotel turning knobs. And then they had this little pouch, the same please do not disturb. And inside was this Chanel sleep mask. And you know, it's not the best quality because again, this was just a free gift with purchase. The Chanel is just stamped. It's not that metal logo like the other one. The elastic strap is really thin. To be honest, I've not worn this to sleep, but it just is so cute. So I was like, okay, I have a Chanel sleep mask. I don't really need a real Chanel sleep mask, right? But when my essay got this in, and again, they just got this in, this is the 22P, like Act 1, so they're still getting stuff in. She sent me pictures of it and I was like, oh my gosh, that is perfect to wear as a crossbody bag. And what's even better is it has already these loops here to attach a shoulder strap. Now, we all know that I love a Chanel makeup pouch that can be converted to a crossbody bag. I have done it with the Chanel holiday sets for the past 2 years. They are my most worn and most used Chanel bags. This is the cosmetic pouch. And then this is from Dress Up Your Purse. I actually have a collab with them, but they have these matching black leather and chain straps that, you know, look very Chanel-esque, and then you can even attach the tassel on here. Yeah, I just wore this the other day. I love this thing. When I saw this, I was like, I can wear this as a crossbody belt bag. I posted a video recently where I had a bit of a sale designer fail. I bought a Fendi belt bag, like a men's belt bag. That's my most used type of bag right now. I have 3 kids. I need my hands to be free always. And so my most used bag is a crossbody, and it's by this brand Spray Ground. It's just a crossbody, like a fanny pack style bag, but I wear it as a crossbody bag. So I was looking for one by Chanel and they don't really have any, at least this season. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, I am going to convert this. I'm going to convert the hell out of this. So I messaged Melody. She is the owner of Dress Up Your Purse. I said, hey, I'm getting this pouch. I really want to wear it as a crossbody bag. Do you have a strap that would, you know, go with this? And she said, oh my God, that's so cute. And they had this. So she sent me this. I think it's just called leather and chain strap. This is very similar to the strap that comes with the YSL Collage bag, where it's just the chain and then you have the leather strap in the middle. And I said, oh my gosh, perfect. And so they both arrived at the same time. So I had to immediately attach it. So I'll show you here how I did that. So now again, similar to the holiday bags, these loops are already good to go. So you just stick this on here. Can you see? And there's one side. And this already has the top handle. So this style is already very similar to the Dior phone holder, which I use all the time. The Dior phone holder was also in my most used bags of 2021 video. So I figured this is just such a great style for me personally. So here's the top part of the bag. Just put that top handle in the front, and then here's the other loop. Just attach this hook. Now you can fancy this up if you want and add a D-ring to the loop, but I don't care, and it also adds more weight, so I didn't really need to do that, but there it is. So you've got yourself a nifty little belt bag. Okay, I have to show you what it looks like. It is so cute. Okay, so this is it. And again, I've already worn this out. I was out shopping today and oh my gosh, I love this bag. How cute. This is exactly what I needed. I just want something slim, something that hugs my body and fits everything I need. I'll show you what it looks like with my phone. So you just zip this here. My phone goes in here. What did I have? I had my sunglasses. Just to show you what this fits. Here is a can of hairspray. I was able to fit my keys, which are downstairs, but let's pretend this is my keys. Here's a Chanel Le Lift Creme hand cream. Here's my son's eczema cream. Let's pretend these are sunglasses. So this was what I was able to carry all day today. I had my phone, my sunglasses, my keys, my face mask. You know, I was at the mall and it fit perfectly. How cute. Okay, so here's the chain and then the leather strap. Now you can get a shorter strap. I actually like the length of this. I mean, maybe it's a little long. I could do a shorter length. If it's shorter, you can wear it literally as like strapped to your chest, like a belt bag. Or if it's a little lower, this can kind of like the Dior saddle, like the men's saddle bag, it drops down and then it's almost like a right angle if you want. And then because it has this top handle, which is how I take my Dior phone holder on and off my body, you just lift this up here and then get my hair out of the way and then there it is. Oh, I love this thing. I was so excited when I saw that I could wear it this way. Now, if this were just a pouch, like a travel makeup pouch, because it's not that big, I mean, you know, here it is, there's my hand. And then with the sleep mask. So the price for this is $13.50, which is a little high, right? For just a makeup pouch and sleep mask, especially considering I have the free, you know, Chanel sleep mask gift with purchase from a couple years ago. But the fact that I can wear this as a crossbody belt bag, those bags from Chanel are typically $3,000 around, you know, a wallet on chain, similar price is around $3,000. So for me, I consider this $13.50 price tag to be a pretty decent value considering I'm getting an entire bag out of this, a crossbody bag. So I am just so excited. By the way, I did return those bags. A lot of people were asking me. I got the Fendi backpack and then I got that Fendi belt bag. They were just too big and it just didn't work for me, so I returned those. So the backpack was like $16.30 and then the belt bag was $8.30. Even though they were on sale, it didn't work for me, but this is just so perfect for me. I just love it. There were a few other bags. There were like square suitcase style bags, and then there was a bowling bag style, but like a huge one, almost like a gym bag. And then there was a hobo type, like a tote bag. I thought they were a little overpriced for what they were. The bowling bag style was like $5,800 or $5,600. And then the tote bag was $5,100, which I think are really high considering it's not a leather bag. Not even I mean here, just the trim is leather, but the bag itself is a nylon and then you have this ribbon. So, you know, that's one thing to consider. And then because it's a travel bag, I mean, you would pretty much load it up. I just didn't think it had enough support. I felt like if you get those travel bags, if you load it up for travel, which I have a lot of stuff in my bags, the material wouldn't be able to support the weight of the bag and what you're carrying. So I passed on those, but I love this. I love this little guy. So now I finally have my Chanel crossbody bag. So I'm glad I returned the Fendi men's belt bag, and I have this Chanel pouch with a top handle that I added a crossbody strap to. I mean, how cute, right? This is it inside. It is Chanel made in Italy. It even has a serial number right here. And here's a little booklet with a receipt. And then there's a little booklet that I guess has information about the 2 items in the set. And then it even comes with the authenticity card, which I thought they were doing away with this, right? I thought Chanel was kind of following LV and having the RFID chip inserted or embedded inside the lining of their bags. But yeah, this had it. So yeah, this has it on a tab right there with the authenticity card. So my new Chanel crossbody bag that I converted from their travel pouch set for $13.50. Let me know if you are eyeing anything from the new Chanel 22P collection. They have a lot of really cool colors out there in this collection. I'm considering a bag also, but we'll see. But I just love my new little crossbody bag pouch. So I hope you enjoyed my Chanel reveal and me showing you how I converted this to a crossbody bag. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.